Hi, this is my Merc Cam, and welcome to the Mercedes-Benz India Pavilion at the Auto Expo 2014. Now, I've got Amitesh from Mercedes-Benz India with me. Amitesh, it took us a long time because of the crowd to get to this car. What is it?
Absolutely. It took us a long time because of the showstopper vehicle that we have this year, the brand new CLA 45 AMG. How do you like the design, Meher? You tell me first.
It's fantastic. It's taking my breath away.
Absolutely. The CLA 45 AMG has an amazing design language and it's a pure driver's vehicle. Now, if you start from the front, what you see is the beautiful logo, the soft nose, the AMG bumper, the beautiful lights.
And you can tell us a bit more about the wheels?
The wheels that you see are the AMG wheels with that protruding AMG star. I think that looks amazing on the car. You also have the turbo AMG signature there. That actually makes people on the road understand that you have an AMG car, which is a privilege, which is an honor, being a driver.
So now, Amitesh, you've spoken a lot about AMG, and there are a lot of AMG vehicles here. Can you tell us, as an expert, what is the difference with an AMG vehicle?
In very simple language, I can say AMG are performance vehicles. It's 0 to 100 4.6 seconds. That actually is faster, and you have reached a 0 to 100 before I could finish off telling you this whole thing, right?
That's amazing. And so it is a driver's car then, finally.
It's an absolutely driver's car. The engine is the world's first four-cylinder, fastest production series engine. And that's what makes this car special. It's almost 450 torque and 360 bhp. And a 0 to 100, as I said, 4.6 seconds. Now that's like this, So you start accelerating and you won't even realize before you reach a speed of 100 and beyond.
Now, Amitesh, I also want to talk to you about the insides because these are particularly eye-grabbing. Can you tell us a bit more about these beautiful seats that I'm seeing?
Absolutely. The seats, if you have noticed, have some side buttons on it, which are called multi-contour seats. So you can actually change the design pattern of the seats, and you can actually make it more comfortable as per your body styling. And if you also see, you have integrated headrests there, and headrests have been given that slight aluminum touch. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah. It looks beautiful.
Also on the front, it's a pure driver's car, so you have those big, it comes on to you. The whole dashboard has been given an appeal that actually comes on to you. It makes you feel more driver-worthy inside it. It makes you feel amazing. It makes you feel just ready to go.
And it's got the back seat, so unlike typical sports cars, it's really a four-seater though, really?
Absolutely. You can always take your friends around with you. No matter it's an AMG, you would like to drive it yourself, but you can always give a ride to your friends as well.
Great. Thank you, Amitesh. And that is the new CLA 45 AMG.